Welcome to our exploration of AI music and traditional game soundtracks. Today, we're diving deep to uncover which enhances your gaming experience more. AI music refers to compositions created by artificial intelligence. Its unique characteristics include adaptability and real-time customization. Game soundtracks have evolved significantly over the years, from simple chiptunes to fully orchestrated pieces that set the stage for immersive gameplay. One of the most fascinating aspects of AI music is its ability to adapt to player behavior, creating personalized experiences based on actions and emotions. Both AI music and traditional soundtracks evoke emotions, but the methods differ significantly. We'll explore their impacts on gameplay. Which style immerses you more? Let's weigh the atmospheres created by each approach in gaming. Real players share their experiences. How do they feel about AI music compared to traditional scores? Let's hear their stories. Despite its advantages, AI music has potential drawbacks, including lack of emotional depth or over-reliance on algorithms. Let's discuss the financial aspects. How does the cost of AI music stack up against traditional creation? Ultimately, personal preference plays a significant role in this discussion. What enhances your gameplay? AI music or traditional soundtracks?